In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept payments on Podia. Podia makes it simple to start selling digital products, memberships, and more. In just a few minutes, you can connect Stripe and or PayPal so customers can check out seamlessly with the payment methods they prefer. Stripe lets you accept major credit and debit cards, and it also enables alternative options like Apple Pay, Google Pay, Ideal, and Stripe Link. PayPal allows customers who prefer using their PayPal balance or linked accounts to purchase your products with ease. First, log into your Podia account and go to your dashboard. From there, open the settings area. Inside settings, find the payments section. This is the hub where you'll connect your payment processors and manage how money flows from your sales. Next, you'll see options to connect Stripe and PayPal. Click Connect next to each platform you plan to use. You'll be redirected to the provider's secure site to authenticate. Sign in, follow the prompts, and authorize the connection to Podia. This step links your store to your payment account, so funds from sales can be deposited directly. A quick tip: make sure your business details and bank information are up to date in Stripe or PayPal before you connect, as they may ask for verification to enable payouts. Once your accounts are connected, you're ready to set prices for your products. Open any product in your Podia dashboard and choose the pricing that fits your offer. With Stripe connected, you can set one-time prices, payment plans for larger purchases, or recurring subscription pricing for community plans. If PayPal is connected, customers can pay using their PayPal account at checkout. Be clear in your product description about what buyers get and when they're billed, especially for payment plans and subscriptions. After pricing is set, you're ready to sell. When customers check out, they'll see the available payment options based on what you connected. The proceeds from each purchase go straight to your Stripe or PayPal account depending on what the customer used. And from there, you'll manage payouts to your bank through Stripe or PayPal. Processing times and fees are determined by those platforms, so it's a good idea to review their policies. To wrap up, connect Stripe and or PayPal in Podia settings, set your product prices, and start sharing your store. Consider making a small test purchase to confirm your checkout flow and receipts look the way you expect. That's all you need to begin accepting payments on Podia with confidence.